Hi dragons, what's up? It's Nikita. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have possibly the craziest thing ever to exist on the internet. And I know that's really stretching very far out and a wide statement to say, but can I just say that I think I have found the craziest, absolute craziest thing that you can find on the internet. Let me just take you on back to a couple months ago when I was in Japan. Let me just explain how I actually found this. I was very jet lagged in my hotel room in Japan. That's like a 14-hour difference. I was pretty much in the future. I'm on my computer, and when you're on your computer in Japan, everything looks different. Nothing is exactly the same. Twitter is different, Instagram's different, like everything's all in Japanese, and a culture shock to say the least. And you guys already know I was doing the absolute most in Japan. So in my culture, we are very crazy, we are very wild, we are a little extravagant. So I was pretty much delusional at this point, very jet lagged, and I was on my phone scrolling on through, and this video popped up. And I'm not kidding you, this was the title: cross-dresser silicone face mask makeup tutorial. Bitch, what? Coming in. Yes, you heard me right. Cross-dresser silicone face mask makeup tutorial. Now, I have never, ever seen something this creepy. They were basically putting on this silicone mask that was very feminine. The nose was snatched, and it literally looked like his real face. And I was so shook about this that I was like, oh my God, what the F is this? Can I put this on my face? And that's what we're pretty much gonna do. So I actually am so crazy, and I ended up ordering this from China. It took forever to get here. I think it almost took a month to get here. You might be thinking to yourself,
Nikita, why would you put this face mask on your face? You're really gonna have a brand new face when you just spent so much money to have this face right here, and you already covered up with so much makeup and Facetune.
Whoa, okay, calm down. I see you. I already know what you're like already saying, so it's like totally fine. You don't have to reinstate it. But you know what? Let me just list off all the reasons that you might wanna, you know,
have a new face. You might want to have a new face because you got a couple different boyfriends. You want to just be different people. You want to stick around. You want to get multiple samples at Costco. You want to get multiple samples at Sephora and have them not clock you. You want to have a secret life and a secret alter identity.
I don't know. I mean, these are all just, you know, general statements. I'm not really saying anything specific. But, you know, I have had multiple faces in my lifetime. So what's really one more to add to the repertoire? So without further ado, let's try on this silicone cross-dressing face. Silicone cross-dresser face. Okay, I really don't know. Let me just show you. Even looking at this, like, I am honestly so gagged. Like, even touching it makes me a little queasy. Let me just show you how I got this silicone face mask. This is what it came looking like. And honestly, the resemblance is literally uncanny. I mean, if I could have ordered my face like this a couple years ago, I mean, I wouldn't even have to have gone through all these surgeries and stuff. Woo! Even feeling this is so creepy! It literally feels like skin. Oh my God. We had a face that was in the face. Like, tell me this is not creepy. Hi, Nikita. Hi, how are you? Too far. Actually, you know what? Before I even get into it, what should we name her? I'm like such a naming person. Like, I have to name everything. If I'm Nikita, who is this? Y'all, I'm giving you the absolute close-up. This is so insane. I don't know whose face is this, but this is like real creepy and scary. And it just feels so real. So I'm gonna put this bitch on. I'm so scared. And then I'm gonna add makeup to it to try to make it look as realistic as possible. So let me put on a wig cap, BRB, real quick. Okay, so I put on a wig cap right now because I pretty much wanna keep my hair as flat as possible. Like, I don't even know what it's gonna feel like under here. Oh my God, I don't wanna do this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so weird. Okay. Oh my God. Yo, this is so, my mouth. Oh my God, this is so ugly. I mean, it doesn't feel awful. Oh my god, I hate everything about this. I cannot even take myself seriously. You guys, this is so scary. I mean, honestly, I kind of look the same. Okay, so I just finished having my mental breakdown on how fucking scary I look right now, but that's besides the point. So we're gonna continue on. I'm gonna try my absolute best to make this somehow look real. I'm gonna apply some circle lenses. I'm gonna put some in my eyes right now just to make my eyes look bigger as we start adding makeup and stuff. So next up, I'm gonna add some eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow to kind of put it in this socket, and then I'll use the transition up here to blend everything. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered. It look a little something like this, darling. The crazy thing is since it is silicone, it actually does take the makeup really well. I'm like, hold on, let me just peel my eye. Now that we're done with the black, I'm just gonna add some like transition-y shade around it. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, so be it. I'm gonna use a Morphe M433 brush, and even as this new thin keto or whatever we wanna call her, we're still gonna use discount code DRAGON here in this household. Thank you so much.
Discount code DRAGON.
So I'm just gonna add this like on top maybe. I'm gonna start getting my lashes ready. These are Lily lashes in the style caramel or caramel or whatever you want to say.
Discount code DRAGON.
Okay, while those are drying, I'm gonna try to use some concealer underneath the eyes to kind of like brighten some things. Like I feel like I'm just doing makeup on my fake face. Like, that's pretty normal for me. And obviously this is a little too dark, but maybe if I bake it, it'll turn light. Oh my god, concealer dries so fast on silicone. Oh my god. Okay, so next I'm gonna bake my silicone base with Huda Beauty's Sugar Cookie powder. This is like a white ass powder, so hopefully it will lighten this crazy concealer that I just tried to put on that did not work, obviously. Okay, it's going on. Oh, the thing I love about these powders is it literally smells like roses. And I can even smell that through this tiny ass little nose. Okay, I'm putting on some lashes. I feel like this is really gonna turn the look, you guys. I feel like I'm gonna add one more pair. Yes, there we go. Now that is a lash. Okay, lashes are done. We are almost getting there. I mean, I feel like it's coming together a little bit. Okay, hopefully, oh yes, look. This powder even works a little bit. Okay, next I'm gonna use the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit to start mapping out my face as best as possible. My face, I shouldn't even be calling it my face. I don't even know what kind of face this is. Oh my god, this picks up products so easily. Okay, clearly I'm not used to this skin tone because literally I'm like using all my products and it's so dark and I'm like, oh bitch. I'm just trying to add some color to it because I feel like homegirl is just a little too pale for me. Remember when Sasha Velour would like paint her head on Drag Race? Shout out to Sasha Velour, honey. I'm literally sucking in my cheeks as if this is gonna suck in the cheeks, girl. Okay, okay. Let's add some blush to try to save her, girl. Oh my god, this is looking real crazy. Okay, next I'm gonna do these brows because they are seriously so crazy to me. I'm sorry, I'm gagging right now, I really am. Okay, I'm gonna try something a little different. I'm gonna use a MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint. It's more of like a pen. This is so crazy. I just have the power to do any kind of brow I want. Okay, I'm finally done with my brows. Now you may be wondering, why are my brows so different? Honey, because I'm gonna be wearing a side part. So next, I'm gonna put on some highlighter. I'm gonna put on the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. I am probably just gonna stick to the super light shade just because of the skin tone already of the mask. Okay, let's try this. Oh, bitch, yes, at least highlight is working. Yes, bitch, at least highlight works, bitch. And I'll be using this Morphe brush, this Morphe highlighting brush. Discount code DRAGON. Bitch, yes. Yes, silicone face mask. Like, my skin has never been this smooth, so I've never been able to do this stuff. Like, I just look like Facetune in real life. Well, I mean, a scary ass Facetune, but. Okay, I'm only doing one side because only one side will show, I promise y'all. Y'all, when I tell you, you just never know how silicone and makeup is gonna mix. I really can't stress that enough. Like, every time I seem to add something, like another thing seems to dry and go wrong. So I'm just gonna keep on moving forward because you know what? At the end of the day, we are wearing a silicone mask and it's not trying to be perfect. I mean, if it's from a distance, distance. From a distance, she's together. So let's just move on. I'm gonna add a little lip. I think I wanna go for more of like a pinkish, because since the base is a little pink, I think I'm gonna go with like a pink lip. This is like a Juicy Glass from KKW. Like I'm gonna do my real lip inside as well as the actual silicone thing. And let me also say, it is not comfortable under here. It's hot, it's sticky, it's not cute, girl. This is a silicone face mask. Hopefully it doesn't break me out, but it probably will. Yeah, I feel like from afar it looks pretty okay. Maybe let me add some setting spray. Hold up. Oh my god, that's actually weird as hell because it feels like I'm spraying, but I'm not like spraying my face. Well, this looks so scary. Let me at least try to put on a wig. Hold up. Oh my god, I sprayed so much setting spray I didn't even know. Look, I got this whole thing wet and I had no idea. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? I'm just a mess, honestly. Woo. Okay, wig is officially on and I am officially mother effing shook over how I look right now. It's so crazy because to me, like I legitimately, even though I'm obviously wearing it and staring at it, it feels like I look like a real person. Like it looks like an actual person, like not me. Hi. I don't even know her name. Not my favorite. I mean, she could use a little bit more lip, but that's okay. I had these lips at one point. You guys, what should we name her? I am so creeped out by myself. Like I could legitimately wear this and I don't really think anyone could tell that this would be a mask. It just looks like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. That's pretty much it. I mean, I could literally be a whole new person. The weird thing is it's like obviously a little uncomfortable because I'm wearing this like legitimate full-on mask. You know, I've worn latex dresses before and those are like way more uncomfortable and sweaty and hot. Like I feel like I've just gotten used to it at this point. I feel like it's time to step out. Like it's time to like walk around and see what people think.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
What?
Good damn vibe. Bitch, you're so scary! What do you mean? What am I talking about?
What do you mean? I look normal.
Get out of my house. You are not Nikita. I don't like this.
No, I hate it.
Oh, you smell nice.
Thanks.
I live for the wig though.
The wig is everything, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, without a f***ing thing, it looks so scary. Why are you laughing?
Oh, there she is. Finally.
Oh my god.
Wow.
She's real. Alright, dragons, thank you guys so much for watching. I am officially creeped out by myself and I think I might need some help naming this person. I don't know what to name her. What should we name her? Something dragon, obviously. So comment down below what we should name her, as well as give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe as well so you can catch me on all of my videos. Click a bell or two and, you know, I guess I'm shameless at promoting even in this whatever fantasy that I'm giving. Hi. Anyways, thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. It's all down below, but it's at Nikita Dragon. And don't forget, breathe fire, my dragons.
Oh, I want all my clothes designer. Oh, I want someone else to buy them. Yeah.
Oh my god, my phone doesn't even recognize me. I am so gagged. Oh my god, it won't unlock. Okay, so like now that I have a new face, let me go create a new profile, whatever my name is. I'm gonna have new boys, new dates, like all the boys that I used to have. I'm now gonna have new boys living my separate life as this girl right here. Like this is a total new life. Like I could literally do whatever I want. Like she's just a girl on the run. Like no one's ever gonna know who I am.